Hello everyone, welcome again to Math Cyberspace, and this is general aptitude problem, and this problem has been taken from December, sorry, this is from 2020 June exam, and the problem is question number 6, and this is part A problem that is of 2 marks, okay, and the problem is a 7-meter long tube having inner diameter of 2 centimeter is filled with water. The water is then poured into a cylindrical bucket having inner base area of 200 centimeter square. What will be the approximate height in centimeter of water in the bucket? Okay, this is our long tube. This is our long tube whose diameter is 2 centimeter. And the height of the tube is 7 meter. That means 700 centimeter. Okay, and the water of this tube have been poured into this bucket. This is our bucket whose base area is 200 centimeter square. Okay, now we have to find out the height of water in this bucket. Let the height is h. Okay, so we have to find out that how much water was there in this tube. So if we can calculate the volume of this tube, then we can calculate the amount of water in this bucket, and this will be the height of this water. Okay, so we know that the volume of a cylindrical tube is V is equals to area of base into height. Okay, and here the base is circular, that means pi r square is the area of the circular. Here given 2 is the diameter, 2 centimeter is diameter, so the radius will be 1 centimeter, and the area of this base is pi r square, that means pi into 1 square, into height is 700 centimeter into 700. So this will be 700 pi. And we know that pi is equals to 22 by 7. So 700 into 22 by 7 equals to 2200. This is our volume of this cylindrical tube, and this is the amount of water. Okay, now this water has been poured in this bucket. So this is our base area of this bucket. So what will be the volume of this water in this bucket? We know that the volume is V is equals to pi r square h. H is our height, and pi r square is given 200 centimeter. So this will be 200 into h, and we have to find out the h. So 200 h equals to 2200. So h is equals to, this will be 11. Okay, this is our height of water in this bucket. Okay, in option D here given 11, so option D will be correct. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, then please share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.